Summer heat is right around the corner. Last thing you want is your AC breaking down. That's why it's very important to get your AC maintenance done. First, we like to get started at the outside unit. We check the refrigerant pressures, clean the condenser coil, and just make sure everything is running at peak efficiency. Up here in the attic, we inspect the filters, inspect the drains. We clean and replace the filters if need be. We also inspect the blower motor and just ensure that the equipment up here is working as efficiently and safely as possible. Final stop is checking our thermostat to ensure we have accurate temperature readings and proper equipment operation. To book your AC maintenance needs, visit us at crewairconditioning.com.